Well, we just received the recent edited copy of our book, Journey into the Quran, and we added an introduction unit, which has some facts. Can you just zoom in a little bit so they can see some examples of the questions, like how many chapters are in the Quran, which chapter is the shortest, which chapter is the longest, and it really causes the students to do some research, 5 chapters named after prophets and so forth. So this is an introduction to learning to navigate Kitab Allah. And then, of course, some of the vocabulary concerning the names of the chapters. And then navigating the Fihris, which is the index, and, knowing how to use the page numbers and so forth. Here's some exercises with page numbers, Arabic numbers. That's the introduction. First unit is about the names. Did you get this title page? Yeah. Okay, so they're going to be learning the names. There's a total of about 20 names in this chapter. So they're going to learn to read them, pronounce them, write them. So there's some writing practice. There's a listening skills, which they would find on the digital platform. Or the teacher can, use the transcript to read the words. So there's pronunciation practice. There's a short conversation practice for each chapter. This is meant for middle school to, could be high school level, could be adults as well. And then there's a reading. And this is really in alignment with social studies, history, which also connects the student to the Quran. This is a reading in questions after the reading, and then Unit 2, geography. So they're going to be learning various words. So they learn the word, they trace it, and then they do some little bit of research, and that part's gonna be in English. After they learn the word, it's up to the teacher how far the students can go in terms of writing sentences. But there are some small sentences that they can write and learn. There's also listening practice, pronunciation practice, included with each unit. All right, and then there's also some translation, some light translation of various verses that contain those vocabulary words. And then Unit 2 has another reading at the end, reading comprehension in English, totally in English. Insects of the Quran, this is Unit 3. So there's an introduction there. Again, vocabulary words and some information about each word. So, a lot of these topics will connect to core curriculum like biology or history or social studies. So this is the insects of the Quran. Again, there's some listening practice, reading practice, pronunciation practice. Many of those audios can be found on our digital platform. Some sentences to go along with the vocabulary. And of course, a reading. This one is about locust soup. Concerning that, so it's something interesting as well as something cultural, because this is a real cultural thing. It's actually taking place in Kuwait, for a part of the culture. And so there's some comprehension questions about it. Unit 4, Al-Anbiya. So they're going to learn how to spell the names. And of course, in each unit, these vocabulary words, the teacher is going to give them the imla, which is the listen and write practice. They're going to learn to identify. So, for example, here, the clue is he was born without a father. And was it Musa? Isa or Yahya. So they're going to circle the right answer. The son of Zechariah. Oh, Yahya. Yeah. Okay. So this is just some more of the exercises that are included in that unit. This is a rather long ayat, which they're going to learn to read, copy, identify words. They're going to be identifying the target words as they do in each unit. Is an exercise for that. So, and then unit 5. Oh, here's another reading about